a quick tip on how to paddle out through the waves with your SUP paddle. If you've ever done some paddling in the surf, you've more than likely been lying down with your paddle, been hit by a wave, and possibly even lost your paddle. Here is a quick tip on how to prevent losing your paddle. All you'll need is industrial Velcro, cleaning fluid, and a cloth. First step, clean the surface area of both the tip of your board's nose and the area just under the handle of your paddle. Second step, cut both pieces of Velcro to about 2 by 4 inches. Step 3, stick the fluffy piece of Velcro just under your handle and the rough, spiky piece right on the nose of your board. When paddling out through the surf with your new adapted paddle, place the fluffy piece of Velcro on the front of the nose of your board. Hey, so I hope this tip helped you out. Keep paddling and see you on the water.